poppin', pretty gang? Today's video is gonna be, as you see by the title, is me showing you guys my hygiene collection, and then I'm going to be rating everything in it. I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about these products. You guys might have been wanting to buy these products and want to know how they work, or maybe you guys got these products and want to see how I feel about it. I don't know, but you're going to see how I feel about all my hygiene products in my collection. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm gonna just start with what I got some right here. So these right here is my babies. These my downs, my dime pieces. This is probably like my third. Hold on now. This is probably like my third bottle of these. No, probably my fourth actually. And these are basically capsules that you insert up, you know, your hoo-ha or whatever. And these things are a blessing from the Lord. Bless the woman who made these. And, you know, thank the Lord for making the one who made these, because these things are bomb.com. Put a little like coupon thingy you can use when you buy them at checkout, and I'll put the link in the description box below. These are 10 out of 10. I give these a 10 out of 10. They're a bomb. These AZO Complete Feminine Balance Daily Probiotics, and I've been using them for about like maybe 3 weeks now, and I definitely see a difference. I definitely feel a difference. I just feel more, you know what I'm saying, healthy. So I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10 because I haven't, you know, had it for a full month to really like see if I like really like them. So I give them a 9 out of 10, but for the most part I definitely recommend you guys purchasing these. The next thing I am going to be rating is this Equate body oil gel, and I love this stuff. Tell y'all, 10 out of 10. Dang, just knocked my phone off. Let me tell y'all, 10 out of 10, because this right here, if you're looking for moisture that lasts, this is it. If you want your perfumes to stay smelling on, like to stay on you all day and just really stand out, this is it. Because this thing, it gives you a glow out of this world. When you get out the shower, you want your body to be a little bit damp, and then put that on, sweetheart, you're gonna feel so soft and be so glowy. Your skin is gonna be supple. I love this. Highly recommend this. Highly. And it's cheap. It's only $3. 10 out of 10. Rating is this right here, my baby, my dime piece, my ride or die. Okay, this is the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy healing ointment. So as you can see, it's #1, dermatologist tested, dermatologist recommended. But I really like this because it just, anything you need it for, you name it, it does the job. Like, your feet is crusty, boom, problem solved. If lips is chapped, boom, problem solved. If you just get a tattoo, boom, this is it for that. Whatever, you name it, like this is just it for any and everything. Like, I love this specifically for my lips and my feet, because those are the places that I want to keep super moist. Get this, 10 out of 10 recommend. Deal. Well, next is this. As you can see, you girl got two because I love these. These are #1 on my feminine hygiene list for your cooter, okay? I strictly use this just for her downstairs, you know, my lovely, you know, thingy downstairs. And, this is just the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's unscented. Don't get no better than that, and it's by Dove. Need I say more? Okay, need I say more? My ladies that use these, go ahead in the comments below and vouch for this. 10 out of 10 recommend. Get it. Now we can move on to, like, I guess like body care. I guess that was more hygienic, but we can move on to body care. I recently started using this Women's Dry Antiperspirant Spray. I got this from the Dollar Tree because I wanted to buy an antiperspirant spray, but I happened to go to Dollar Tree that day and I seen this. I'm like, I'm gonna try it. It's $1. I might like it, and you get you know, get this nice size one, and I'm gonna try it. I tried it, and y'all, first of all, the scent on this smells good. Bomb. It's a fresh scent. Like, it's really fresh. It does last you all day. Like, you won't be musty. You don't have to worry about like you won't have to worry about like the white stains get on your shirt. And for me, I really hate the build up that deodorant gives you. I just don't like it. It makes you feel like you got a lot under your arms, especially when I'm washing it. Just feels weird. This does not do that. It doesn't give you any build up. It just keeps you from having to worry about getting musty and being all sweaty. So I definitely would say maybe a 10 out of 10, or yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this. I really like this, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Arm & Hammer brand deodorant. This is what I've been using lately. Or maybe the Lady Speed stick, is that what it's called? It's like purple. Dollar Tree sell it all the time, but that's my favorite deodorant. And then this one is my favorite as well. I give this a 10 out of 10 because, believe it or not, y'all, I don't know about everybody else, but Arm & Hammer deodorant really works for me. It's the fresh scent. It truly does keep you from being musty for like like a whole day too, if you want to stretch it that far, sis. But it really does like keep me fresh. It keeps me, I really like this. Is $1, so it's like, why not? Right here, don't mind how crusty you look. This is the Pure Silk Shave Cream Ultra Sensitive. No longer shave, but this is something that was a staple for me when I like stopped shaving like what, 3 months ago. But I no longer shave. I wax everything now. But I really like this. If you're someone who shaves, I highly recommend this. It's a Dollar Tree. Get it, sis. If this is right here, just everything. I like it. It makes your skin feel smooth. It gives you a close shave, and it's unscented, so it's safe to use down on your hoo-ha. Next, we have this At the Beach. I'm covering up this little stain that won't come off at the top, but I'm gonna let y'all see because this brought my cut. But this is the At the Beach 24-hour Ultra Moisture Body Cream. I really like this scent. It's a, if you know what I mean. If you're someone who's I'm usually used to like wanting really sweet scents, and I'm trying to draw away from that because as I'm getting older, I want to smell like a grown woman. I want to smell like money, you know what I'm saying? Bougie vibes, you know. I kind of stray away from sweet smells and try to go to something that's more fresh and more like not so sweet scented, if that makes sense. But this right here smells fresh. It's a different scent. It's very different. I like it. I also even got the perfume to go with it, with the body spray, the fragrance mist, may I say. And this is from Bath and Body Works, of course. And these two right here, sweetheart, this is gonna have you just smelling good and soft. And this right here gonna have you smelling so good. You're gonna smell so fresh. Your man gonna be all over you. The Beautiful Day scent from Bath and Body Works. Beautiful Day by Bath and Body Works. These two together. This right here, this scent right here is just so girly. Like, that's what I like about it. I don't know what it is, just caught my attention. I really like it. I love the scent. It's a beautiful scent. It smells really good, you know. These two I give a 10 out of 10. The Sweet Pea body wash. I do not have the perfume, but I definitely had the lotion before, but I don't have it anymore. But I got this body wash and I really like it. It smells really good. I just love the Sweet Pea scent. That's always been on my face. I get the body spray, but this, oh, smells so good. I give this a 10 out of 10. As you can see, I'll be using this junk. This Champagne Toast by Bath and Body Works. I recently just got this, so that's why it's not used like that. But I love this because, like I said, it's one of those scents that's not too sweet, but like you're gonna smell so good. Like you don't smell too, it's great. It smells so good. I should have got the fragrance mist, but I was spending too much money in there as it was. But yes, I really like this, and eventually I will get the fragrance mist, which is why I'm trying not to use so much, because I want to try it with the fragrance mist and the body butter. I feel like layering your products definitely gives you a way more stronger smell, and it just it takes your hygiene game to new levels. Layer your products, ladies. Okay, you heard it from the OGs. So then I have this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for natural hair, moisture curl hair milk. This right here stuff has no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. Now what I like about this the most is that it just gives my hair definition and definitely moisture. But not only that, sweetheart, people don't realize that your hair and the way it smells plays a big part in how you smell. Your hair have to smell good if you're trying to smell good, sis. Ain't what? So this right here, booming, busting out the package, smells so good. Like y'all go grab some and smell it, and you're gonna be like, bathing. Naturals Luxury Collection sulfate free rose petal bath salt. Now I really like this because of that. It has free of parabens, sulfates, synthetics, artificial surfactants, colors, dyes, and scented only with essential oils. Now you can feel free to get clean with it. What I love about this is that all natural. The only things that are in this is all natural. As you see, I just read to y'all, like it's only scented with essential oils. It has no dyes, no artificial things, none of that. So that means that it's safe to use for feminine, well, for women to use, maybe even men. You can use this too. But it's, y'all, it smells so good, and I swear when I take a bath in this, oh my gosh, it feels so soft and it's so relaxing. I'm telling you. And it's $1 at the Dollar Tree, y'all. Ladies, I'm putting y'all on petals in it. Hopefully y'all can see the rose petals and stuff. Like, you guys, I almost forgot that there was 2 more products that I love that I use, but the reason why I forgot is because I left in the shower, which is this Dove exfoliating body polish, baby. 10 out of 10. I ain't got to say no more, none less. Let's see, Tree Hut body scrub. I got more, but this is my favorite one currently. So vitamin C Tree Hut scrub, baby. 10 out of 10, no more, no less. Sorry, y'all, my camera had cut off. So now I'm just gonna get into these little bit of perfumes that I do have and tell y'all what I think of. Colada. I was gonna say Colada. My fragrance mist, and it's not all of my hygiene products. I'm actually forgetting some, but I just wanted to do a video for you guys and make a video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up, like it, you know, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel, because if you are subscribed to the Pretty Gang, what are you doing? I'm not understanding. Until next time, Pretty Gang, peace.